gun broker right now seems to be flooded with a bunch of Turkish shotguns, which are right around $150 or a little more, a little less. This is a TR Imports Alpha Arms SPX. Well, the book says that it needs 25 high brass shells to get broke in. One thing I forgot to mention is that on the front of the forend here there is a Picatinny molded in plastic, so if you want a flashlight or a laser or something. So anyway, 25 high brass. I just happen to have some an assortment of old slugs that I need to use up. I've got Allen wrench here. I'm just going to take a couple shots into the ground to verify that it's going to hit where I'm aiming. Here goes nothing. That's pretty close. Yeah, it might be a little low left. Let's see. Not too bad, not too bad. All right, let's, ooh, how about some Brennecke, safety on, Brennecke KO Sabos. So, let's see here. Two. May as well test it out on some water jugs out here, why not? Well, that's 5 nice divots in the lawn right there. 12 gauge 3-inch chamber, 24-inch barrel. It's got fiber optic adjustable sights on it. It's kind of neat. It also has a rail already on it, and it looks like it has a narrower grooved receiver on top of it that the rail slides onto, and then they've got a couple of screws going in also. Alright, just 4 buckshot. Just going to put them into the hill, get the 25 total through here eventually. But this is a copy of a Benelli inertia system. I'll take the forend off here in a second. You'll see that there is no gas system at all. It's all internal. It has the goofy button that you have to press here to get it to lock open, because otherwise they'll just rack back and forth like the Benellis do. Decent recoil pad. Alright, 5 Hornady SSTs, 9 by 18-inch steel plate at 40 yards. Let's see how well these sights are on, if I need to change them. No idea. Okay, low and... Alright, there's another 5. I got a couple more right here. Tell you what, I'm going to move the sight, then we'll get back on it. You know, they're calling it a Silver Eagle. On the other side, it just says 01SA. And let's see. TR Imports, Fort Worth, Texas, Alpha Arms, made in Turkey. What an improvement. Now, you can see that there's some light underneath there, so turning this the opposite of the way that the little arrow is. So, up, that arrow is actually pointing to down. Alright, 5 more high brass. These are 6s on my Texas Star. Actually, these are some old shells, so if there's a malfunction, I'm going to blame it on the shell, but this will be a total of 30 shots. Now that looked like that worked. Took them down before it even had an opportunity to get moving. Okay, some more high brass 6s, old stuff. I'm going to just take the first, the closest 5 here. So that's 30 without a problem. I'm going to start shooting some light stuff now, see what's up. Okay, now the torture test. Well, one of them anyway. I'm going to shoot 50 Federal Dove in small game. It's basically just a trap load, ounce and an eighth, going 1200. Let's see how the gun does. It's going to get hot, so I got my glove on. I've already got 5 in the gun. I'm just going to shoot 5 at a time and see how long it takes me, and also see if the gun wants to fail at some point. I cleaned it thoroughly before all of this and then lubed it really good with some good greasy lube. So anyway, alright, going to try to dump 50 right here, see if I can withstand it or the gun can. I'm going to go with no. Let's see. Try it again. Let's see here. No, she does not like the light stuff. And this really isn't that light. Well, see if she warms up or something, but not looking good so far. Okay, after putting another 10 rounds of slugs through it, we have now got some Rio ounce and an eighth. These are 1250 feet per second compared to the low brass 1200 feet per second that the Federal were that would not cycle it reliably. So I'm going to do, like I said, these are 1250, so supposedly a little bit hotter. Let's see if these will cycle it. Looks like I could use a little bit tighter choke on this distance. Alright, those actually cycled it. Maybe I'll put some more of them through and then go back to the lighter Federal, see if we can get them to work. Alright, if this thing continues to work with the low brass, then I'm going to start to hold it a little bit lighter, looser, and maybe try some lighter stuff. But anyway, I got 5 in here right now. This is that Federal Dove small game load. Okay, that was our normal malfunction where the round is underneath the bolt on the carrier, so we just bring it back and let it go. I got a few more. Shot 3. I spoke too soon. It's not working. After 210 rounds, it's definitely getting pretty crappy in there. So I'm going to clean it up, lube it up, and then see how it does with the light loads after that. Of course, inside the receiver's got some crap like this also. I'll clean it all up. Alright, 210 rounds in. I just gave it a pretty good cleaning and lubed it back up again. Back to the ounce and an eighth Federal trap loads, basically. Yeah, this is it. If it can't run when it's clean after 210 rounds. And I put in a tighter choke, so I was getting a little bit more pattern. So I was barely knocking those things off. Anyway, here's 5. Guess I need one more. You know what? I'll put 2 in. All 5 worked. Let's see if it will cycle out here. Alright. I'm going to safety on, top it off, and we'll go down to the poppers. Still working. I got 5 things on the ground and on the little stands here. Alright. 5 more. Ooh, 5 more ran through it. I'm gonna keep going. Well, let's see if we can go a whole 25 with not having a malfunction. I got 5 in the gun right now. Looking good so far. Actually, it's going to be a total of 37 if I can make it through all these. I think I'm just going to start dumping them now. Alright, I'm just going to start burning these up now, see if we can hopefully make it through all of them without malfunctioning. Oh, apparently I only had 4 in there, but that was pretty cool. Alright, fast. Yep, ran them all out. Dropping them on the ground. Alright, if this group goes right here, this will be 37 that it ran without malfunction. Took 210 rounds to get there, and then I cleaned it, lubed it, and here we go. That's all 4 that I had in there. I guess I'm going to give it a pass. I mean, as a positive score. It took a while to break in, and I shot a bunch of hot stuff through it to get there, but just shot 37 rounds with it functioning. So they're on Gunbroker. There's a whole bunch of cheap ones on there. 129, 139. This one was actually a gun that's normally like $300-400, and for some reason there's a place dumping them for like 170, 160 or something. Plastic sight, that's probably metal. I believe the base is metal, but beyond that, it's a runner now. Well, thanks for watching.